Hi everyone, my name is Marlon McCallum and I'll be speaking on my internship with LiveWell Jamaica. I've worked with LiveWell for 3 months on an internship program where they taught me good management skills, time management skills to be exact, where I was taught how to update social media pages for their their events and upcoming promotions that they were having with regards to outreach programs and helping other people who are in need. Now, I was able to co-produce and host the math club on Roost 96 FM with LiveWell, and that has taught me how to manage my time well with regards to planning and being able to organize things. Now that I'm in China, I'm able to use those skills that I've developed and be able to teach my class. And I would highly recommend Live Well to anyone who is planning to join. So take care.